In this video, we'll look at one of the fundamentals of 3D, moving objects to create a layout. An important thing to know about working in 3D is that objects are positioned just like in the real world. They have horizontal, vertical, and depth positioning, represented by X, Y, and Z coordinates. What is in front or in back is all relative to the view of the camera. Each dimension document is one scene, or one virtual world, where you can lay out objects. Use the Scene panel to quickly view all of the objects in your scene. You can select objects by clicking on them in the Scene panel or in the canvas. Some objects are made of multiple parts. When selected, objects in the Scene panel will auto-expand to show subparts. To move an object, you can use the Transform tools, which includes the Select, Move, Scale, and Rotate tools, found at the top of the toolbar. Let's start with the Select tool. The Select tool is the primary tool for arranging objects. You can activate it with the default shortcut V. Once the tool is active, select an object in the Canvas or Scene panel. The Select tool widget will appear. Use the pivot handle to move the object along a surface, easily snapping to the ground plane or other objects. Hold Command while dragging on the pivot handle to move the object in screen space. This will always move your object parallel to your current camera view. Click and drag on the object, not using the widget, to move the object parallel to the ground plane. The other handles represent Move, Rotate, and Scale in all three axes: green for Y, red for X, and blue for Z. Use the arrow handles to move the object in each axis. Use the circle handles to rotate the object around each axis. And use the square handles to scale the object in each axis. You can also hold Shift to scale uniformly. You can change the orientation of the gizmo to be aligned with either the object or the scene by toggling the Align to Scene tool option. The shortcut to change the gizmo alignment is Q. This lets you move the object in many ways very quickly. It's important to note that the Property panel will always display the position of an object in scene space, or aligned to the scene. The Scene Axis widget in the corner of the canvas can help you keep oriented between the Properties panel and the scene. We hope this video has been helpful in showing how you can move objects around to create unique 3D layouts. We can't wait to see what you make.